Hello and welcome to another one of our product review videos. So we're just going to review something we've been using for a while and something we've bought more of, and it's the IRWIN Quick Grip. They're not a lot of money. I think they're like £7 or £8 from Screwfix. Obviously you can get them in different sizes. You've got your 13-inch version and your 6-inch, and they are so handy just for clamping bits of wood. Well, anything really.
Now this is where we can tell you this definitely are a good product, because we've had that for a number of years. The only problem that these used to have was these would fall off easily. You'd clamp and these things would slip off here. It's only staying on because it's got cement in it, but they used to fall off. Yeah. So what IRWIN have done, they've just changed the pads which clip on, so they can't, I mean you can pull them off, but they can't fall off up or down. Really good. So to adjust it to the size of the piece of work you're working on, you just squeeze that trigger there.
That quick release, yeah.
And go done.
And you can give it really so many on that.
Yeah, you can give it, tighten it right up. Then to release it, just do that. Or you can get it approximately where you want it and just ratchet it up.
You can just do it like that, or you
one-handed.
Yeah, one-handed.
Really
that's an important thing to know. These are one-handed.
One-handed. A word of warning, because we've done it many a time. If you're clamping something, and again, people are going to get, well, that's obvious. So you're clamping something onto here. Try and do it the other way. Don't have that sticking out near anybody. Yeah, I'll tell you what.
Yeah.
I've clamped stuff with this, and I've been caught in the face a few times with this.
It's painful.
Yeah. So, IRWIN. Just a suggestion, just put a little pad over the top ends of these, because people do go into them.
Like a silicon
just thing, a pad just on the top that goes over the top of this, and make it a bit safer, because it's quite sharp if you...
These are the, one important thing is, so these are the mini versions. They do sell like a one that's about 2 or 3 times the size of this. We don't really need to use them for the work we do, but it's like that fat, and it's a huge thing. So that's
and this has been out in all weathers, and you know it has been abused a bit, and it's lasted. So I've probably had this 4 years.
It's not oiled up, is it? And it still runs. These have got like a light oiling on them.
Yeah, I mean this has just been I mean worked so 3-4 years old at least. So you can tell they're a fairly decent product, and they have improved it. The only improvement I'd say they need to make is put some on the end in case you've got it low down or head height, you're clamping something and you just forget saying you walk into it. That's why I've got a face like this, because I keep walking into these basically. But
so if you're thinking about buying these IRWIN Quick Grips, then yeah, for the money they're pretty good.
Screwfix and loads of other people sell them. B&Q, I think.
The only thing is, can't use them with anything that gets hot, because it'll melt. That's just a...
Yeah, so if you're a keen motor mechanic and you want to clamp your exhaust, don't.
Do not use these with welding, because they'll melt.
We did know some of you did. Yeah, and it wasn't us.
It doesn't work that way.
All they were left with in the end was a trigger and a bar, I think, weren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Literally, honestly.
Anyway, so thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you if you're thinking about buying these. Just shows you what you get really, and how they've improved from the old and how long they last. Right, thanks for watching.